Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a personal finance app that's been making a lot of waves recently. It's called Rocket Money, and it's designed to help you save money, reduce debt, and take control of your finances. But before we dive into that, let's take a moment to think about something that's probably on a lot of your minds. Can you trust Rocket Money with your personal financial information? It's a valid question, and one that I get asked a lot. After all, we're all hesitant to share our financial information with anyone, especially online. So, can you trust Rocket Money? The answer is yes. Rocket Money is a safe and secure platform that takes your privacy seriously. They use advanced security measures to protect your data, and they never share your information with third parties without your consent. In addition to being safe, Rocket Money is also a very effective tool for managing your finances. It can help you track your spending, identify unused subscriptions, negotiate your bills, and even find better deals on insurance. So, if you're looking for a way to save money, reduce debt, and take control of your finances, I highly recommend checking out Rocket Money. It's a safe and effective tool that can help you reach your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips. See you next time.